Hello again. Wanted to create a short video on what functionality is provided for users without a subscription. So users without a subscription have a couple options. They can analyze an individual note, or they can upload a set of notes. So we're going to go ahead and start with inputting an individual note. The first thing that we request is the zip code of the property or um, that is secured by the note, and we'll go ahead and click on Analyze. So I'm going ahead and put in some particulars here of the note. Um, let's say that this was something back in 2010, February. Let's make that February 3rd. And let's say the note price for this is 40,000, 30-year fixed, 360 payments. Original balance, let's say, is 95,000, and say that we're a little over halfway. Let's say there's about $60,000 remaining in the note. Last payment was recent, so we'll make it first of the month. An annual interest rate of 9.9. So I basically come out with a $826.68. Basically, I have 165 payments remaining. So the only other required piece of information that I need is the actual address of the property. So it's 6 Lucille Avenue, and let's say the estimated market value of the property is 125,000. So this is all in order. Now I've provided the note details and the property details. So now I'm ready to just go ahead and create the note. Notice now the note is now available on the portal we call the executive dashboard. We provide some basic information. We have the address of the property. In this particular case, we have a performing note. It's a full note. The original number of payments was 360. This was something that was inputted, or we're using the word imported in. And then we do some basic calculations. So we have, in this particular case, it generated a yield of 23.8%. Estimated ITV, in this case, investment to value, and estimated loan to value, respectively, are 32 and 60%. So this is something where I just manually inputted the figures or into the portal. Now I do have another option. I can, if I have a CSV file that we support, and you can download the template that we make available. As long as it's in this format, then we can upload the notes to the portal as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the dashboard. I mean the icon here, and I'm going to locate here a file with a set of notes, and go ahead and import that in. So I just imported this note from the CSV file. Again, it provides similar types of information. This particular note has an 8.8% yield, 76.7 ITV, and a 96% LTV. Now, you may be wondering why we're saying estimated, and the reason we're saying estimated is because we're taking whatever market value information at face value. So in this particular case, the market value that was supplied for this property was 120,000, and that's what we use to arrive at the ITV and loan to value for this particular note. So I think with that, we'll close the video off at this point. But hopefully this gives you some visibility on what you can do on the portal without a subscription. I'll be putting some more videos together with going into greater detail on some of the features that are provided with subscription. Stay tuned for a later video on this. Thank you.